Delicious smothered chicken, easy recipe and easy on the wallet. All right, we're going with 7 chicken thighs. Hey, this is a budget friendly recipe. And what I want to do is I want to take some kitchen shears and I'm just trimming excess skin off, not trying to make it too pretty, but just getting it uniform so we can get it where we want it to be. And then also too, you might notice some feathers that's still on some of your chicken, so just remove that. You don't want to eat no feathers in your smothered chicken. Hey, if you really wanted to, you can go with boneless chicken thighs. You can go with skinless chicken thighs if you like. I'm gonna keep the skin on them, crisp them up. They're gonna be absolutely delicious. And here's the fun part about smothering chicken. Hey, you need a little bit of flour. You don't need much. Since I got about 7 chicken thighs, I probably go in with about half a cup. You can add more. If we need more, we can add more. We can definitely do that. So I know everybody probably got a bottle of Lawry seasoned salt in your pantry. So this is what we're gonna season our flour with. Now let me hit you with this too. Now if you want a little bit of kick, hey, you can go with that baptizing Cajun. Hey, really good. Now I got my flour. Hey, got a little bit of seasoning on that. Now what we want to do is we also want to season our chicken. So I'm gonna get some seasoning on the front side and the back side of this chicken. We don't want to overdo it, so just a light coat will do in this step right here. And then we'll just take us a chicken thigh and then we're gonna place it in that flour like that. And then we got a pan, a medium temp. We're gonna take it from the bowl seasoned flour. You see that? You don't need nothing major, just like that right there. We're going straight to the pan. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of oil. We don't need much, just enough to coat this bottom, because we're gonna do just a little bit of shallow fry. And once we got our pan heated up where we want it to be, hey, we're gonna go skin side down first. We're gonna let this ride out for a couple of minutes, let this brown on this front side, then we'll flip them, let them get a little bit of color on the back side. We don't even really want to cook this all the way through, just trying to get a little color, and then we'll go from there. Hear those chicken thighs going in the background there. I'm just gonna cut me up an onion, like so. And then we'll just take our onion, and we don't need to slice them. If you want to, you can definitely do that. I'm just gonna keep my onion whole and then just remove them like this, where we got our onion separated like that. And then once you start getting color on your chicken like this right here, and it don't have to be perfect, you just want to get a little bit of color, hey, we'll be in the game. We're gonna flip these chicken thighs over and let them brown on the other side. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. Fam, I wanna try this trick, see if it works. Got a butter knife and we got some garlic. And then they say, hey, if you just stab your garlic and then you pull it out. Man, look at that right there. You don't even have to worry about it being peeled. So simple, so easy. Hey, if you found value in that, hey, hit that like button. Hey, we in the game. What we want to do is we want to take these chicken thighs out of the pan, and you see the back side is nice and golden brown. And we're going to turn down our heat just a tad. Now we got some fun on the bottom of that pan. We got our onions And these onions will cook down. And then as we make our gravy, hey, it's gonna make a nice little onion gravy, fam. And since I'm cooking on cast iron, it's okay to reduce the heat because this cast iron is gonna hold that heat. And you don't want it to, you know, overcook and get too hot on you. So again, this is the beauty about cooking. Hey, just learn what you're working with and adjust as needed. That's what you do, fam, to make something absolutely delicious. Now I'm not trying to caramelize these onions, so once they become soft, those are good to go. And then we're gonna add some minced garlic into the party. And after my garlic becomes fragrant, I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of flour. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of seasoning. And then we're gonna add some chicken broth. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit more chicken broth to the mix, because we're gonna place this into the oven and we're gonna let these chicken thighs continue to cook. Also, what I want to do is I want to add just a little bit of pepper, not too much. Don't need to be too spicy. So we looking pretty good with our gravy. So I just want to thin it out just a little bit more. If you like to, you can add some heavy whipping cream if you like a nice creamy gravy. But this right here is going to be perfect. Got that onion in there, give it a lot of flavor. And then what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and then we're going to add in our chicken thighs back into the party. And then we're going to let all that cook through. And what I want to do at this time too is just spoon over a little bit of that gravy like so. So we got everything what we wanted it to be. Hey, it's looking absolutely delicious. Going in the oven 350 degrees. Hey, but let me show you something. Check this out right here. Hey, I got me a nice little blackberry cobbler that'll get you in the game. Easy recipe. Check out that video right there. Hey, if you like blackberries or you like cobbler, this is what you want right here. Yes, sir. All right, my oven's ready to go. I'm gonna set this with foil, or I'm gonna cover it with foil, and we're gonna let this go until these chicken thighs are done. And we're gonna be in the game. All right, we've been going for 35 minutes, but you just want to make sure that your chicken thighs are completely cooked. And it's smelling absolutely delicious, fam. Look at that right there. Yes, sir. Hey, we are in the absolute game. And if you want to check the temperature just to be on the safe side, just get your probe thermometer. And you see right there, hey, they good. Hey, you in the game. They nice, they tender. And you got, look at that gravy on the side. I'm telling you, nice budget soul food cooking. I'm gonna give me a nice little piece of this chicken thigh. Cut it up, got me a little piece of that onion. And we're gonna give this a taste test, fam. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious smothered chicken, easy recipe and easy on the wallet. And you already know what we gotta do. We gotta give this a taste test. Hey, cheers, fam. Now that right there, hey, that's absolutely Delicious, fam. Going in for another bite. Hey, you got a little piece of those onions, a little bit of rice. Hey, you can go collard greens if you like. Whatever you like. Mac and cheese, you win the game. Man, that is absolutely delicious, fam.